Time to ground the bird.
Systems. Failing.
McQueen, no!
Look out! He's falling! McQueen!
Snap out of it! This is Joker's trap!
The sky belongs to the glitch now. I'll pull him back to Earth. Don't let the dark energy touch you! Yes, unleash the Sky Predator! Team 95, let's clear the skies! Wait, why is he looking at me like that? The 95 drip is too heavy for you. I hate heights! I hate heights. Sky's the limit for the 95. Do you have feathers in your radiator now, boss?
Airspace secured. Sigma levels are off the charts.
I can clone this power. Crush them all, my four-wheeled beast. Code Crush. Extreme weight and ground threat. Requires movement denial and cryogenic lock.
Chase, block all exits from the demolition zone. Marshall, prepare the cryogenic foam for close quarter support.
Exit secured.
Target, rear axle linkage. Needs extreme cryogenic exposure immediately to freeze the joint and neutralize movement.
Path clear. The freeze breath was the perfect counter to the mass and heat, Superman. Flawless execution. It was a team effort. The moment Marshall froze the tires, we had the opening we needed. Great job, pups!
Let's go!
Only street racing for me. No crushing, no mud. Ka-chow. The axle is cryogenically vulnerable to extreme temperatures. All clear. Diagnostics complete. Everything looks good. Feel the power of the storm! Unlimited power! I feel grounded. Ka-chow! Hey, nice legs. All 8 of them. my head! I'll be back!
Behold, my greatest creation! Embrace the darkness, McQueen. Go, crush your friends!
He's fast. Take the left flank.
Gotcha.
Jamming the signal now. Targeting the joints.
Stand still. The power of her betrayal is sweet.
Porco! Ah, where is that, Chip? Behind the neck. Hit it now. Get out of there, Porco!
I'm going in. Blind and hit him now. Remember our promise, McQueen.
Raga, I'm back. Thank you.
Welcome back.
Let's go home.
Destroy it all! Get up, you useless toy!
Hey! Hey! Let me go!
What a nightmare. I'll be back with something bigger.
Squeal!
Cry.
JARVIS. Analyze target. Looks like a big red noodle with wheels.
Yes, go, Serpent, go!
Got it! Must hit the ignition port. Okay, new strategy. Nice driving, McQueen, but stick to four wheels, all right? Oh, well, this is just great. I'm going to get the perfect paint job tan. Time to remodel the city. No construction work after 5 p.m.
McQueen, fight the control!
Great, the demolition crew is all here. Okay, strong guy is on our side. Got it.
Joker is controlling him!
Why won't it move?
Forward!
Why do I smell like oil and rust?
You guys make a good construction crew. Or deconstruction crew.
A little souvenir from your evil twin. Enjoy the new suit, Racer!
Code Symbiote. Extreme velocity and corrosive threat. Needs high-frequency containment and acoustic barrier. Looks like something slimy this way comes.
Chase, use the sonic cannon to create a destabilizing barrier.
Target. Core center. Symbiote vulnerable to sound, but only extreme heat will break the bond. The combination of the high-frequency distress call and your heat web was perfect, Spider-Man. You saved us from a citywide contagion. Just another day fighting black goo. But seriously, keep the sirens loud, pups. They hate that.
Local authorities have taken over. The quarantine of the slime is confirmed.
All right, team, let's get this street cleared. Never trust anything that moves that fast and has that many teeth.
Nope. Tongue too sticky.
Mission accomplished.
Diagnostics are clean, McQueen. You are good to go. Only fast, safe cars. An upgrade worthy of a general. Code Red. Heavy armor tank. Need anti-vehicle specialist and precision penetration. Urgent, urgent.
Chase, we need quiet movement and distraction. No loud sirens.
Target. Cannon joint. Use something to jam the rotation. Rockets neutralized. Antidote must go into the engine exhaust. Non-armored spot.
distraction!
Ugh, that was heavy.
Mission accomplished. Now for containment.
Are you okay, McQueen? That armor was tough.
Wow. That stuff was really heavy.
Paw Patrol, go, go, go!
I prefer speed over brute force. Code Cannon. Extreme firepower threat. Needs kinetic absorption and EMP neutralization.
Chase, priority 1 is immediate crowd evacuation from the blast zone. Use the sonic directional speakers.
Rough! Evacuation commencing. Target. Right elbow conduit. Needs a direct focused EMP to cut the cannon power. Keep moving. Area secure.
You're safe, soldier. A strong defense and teamwork always win the fight. You all have good strategy.
Structural integrity stabilized. Damage contained. I'm sticking to racing. No tanks. No cannons. Ever. Ka-chow. All clear, city police.
Whenever you're in trouble, just yelp for help.
Ew, this place is messy. Not good for my wax job.
Oh no!
Let's wreck the city!
Hey!
Ew!
Ooh, gross! Batman! Big fan! Love the voice.
Focus.
Wait! He's our friend! It's the slime controlling him!
Freeze the sludge.
No! My masterpiece is broken! Gotcha! Call me if you need a sidekick. Or a pizza buddy. Did I just see a giant bat and a spider?
May the best car win! There's no best, only me!
You're going down, Rusty!
Calm down! Calm down!
Admit it, you lost! Stop arguing! This isn't over! It's never over! Want to find out who's really better? Let's play inside that game, then.
It's okay. Everyone makes mistakes. What matters is that we learn from them and keep trying our best.
I am Speed. Forget machines. Let's make him alive. Look at him crawl. It's beautiful.
Wiggle, wiggle! It's unnatural. We need to contain it. Friday, remind me to schedule a dentist appointment for this car.
McQueen. Why do you have fingers? Super Ragga mode. It's biological, not mechanical. I need to inject a system restore virus directly into that mouth. I'll prop his jaw open.
This is actually working!
I have a terrible taste in my mouth. Like, never do that again. Seriously, the feet were the worst part.
Good team!
Good work, team. We contained the anomaly.
My suit is ruined. Do I still have fingers? Please say no. Hup, 2, 3, 4. Five minutes rest. Hold position. Just one lap? Real quick? You broke the code. Now you pay the price.
Dad, stop! It was my fault! Don't take him!
Boot camp is over. Sink or swim, soldier.
Sector 4, unknown hostile.
The city is lost. Evacuate.
Stay down. That's an order. Pick on someone your own size.
One last belt of ammo. Look at me.
Did we win the race?
Mission accomplished, team.
Time to break the hero. Ah, arg. Systems. My system's failing. The old McQueen is gone. Snap out of it, boss. Destroy your friends.
95% restored.
Wait. We can talk about this. Going nowhere, Joker.
My drip, it's ruined.
Still the king of the drip. You look scary with those teeth, boss.
Data confirms. Sigma energy at 100%.
The storm is coming. We are ready.
I am speed, even on ice.
Let's put this car on ice. Mush! Destroy the lodge!
Whoa, this is fun!
Almost there!
We're going so fast!
Stand down, soldier. Captain America? I hate goody two-shoes. Don't destroy the tank! My friend is inside! Understood. We disable it, not destroy it. I'll draw his fire. You stop those treads. Stop it! I'm freezing. Not again!
Easy there, son. Warm up.
You have the heart of heroes.
Next time, let's go to the beach.
From race car to apex predator. Eat them all, my pet.
Something huge is moving in the swamp.
Don't let them escape. Yay! Use the tail.
Come and get me, big guy.
Now, Porco, while he's focused on Quilla. I didn't design you to be a pet! Rip it off! The Joker is using an ancient delta frequency. Hello. My masterpiece. stats look good.
That's not McQueen anymore!
We need brute strength and immediate chemical neutralization.
Code Giant Viper.
Hulk smash Snake!
Chase, mask on! We need to spray the antidote.
Snake spit. Make Hulk angry. Tiny car, not broken.
Ah! I hate heroes! Eat them, my rednecks!
Did a dinosaur just sit on me?
Ouch! Ouch! Step City, we are coming! Find the intruders. Wrap them in my red coils.
He's no longer on 4 wheels. He's a giant snake. I'll hold him. You guys get the cure ready.
Fight harder! Burn their systems! No, my masterpiece.
I think I prefer having wheels over being a 20-meter noodle.
I've adapted the serpentine flexibility for your suspension. Next time, I'll use a dragon. He's got the Jordans? No way! I'll get better shoes next time.